Ba't hindi natuloy? Ah.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually done with her brows and I'll be doing a full video tutorial on how to do a perfect brows properly. The do's and the don'ts, the wrong and the right way of doing it, so watch out for that! Anyway, after I did her brows, I'm putting some brow soap. This one is the tinted one. It's Brown Natural by the Beauty Soapery. Oh man, I love it. It's really good. It really sets the brows in place and in shape. By the way, I bought this online at a very affordable price and it's so worth it. For this one, I use Revlon Color Stay Eyeshadow Primer. Primers can be liquid or cream-based product that is applied on the eyelids to make shadows go on smoother and last longer. If you don't use an eyeshadow primer when you're creating a perfect masterpiece, well, it might be crease, fade, smudge, just an hour or so later. And so, it's important to keep your eye makeup insured, and primer is that insurance. For the eyeshadows, I use these two babies. It's the Make Brow by Details and it's originally for brows actually, but I just want to explore a little bit, so I mixed it with Wild and Radiant Baked Illuminating and Bronzing Palette, which actually a highlighter. Fact is, blending an eyeshadow is a true art. If done incorrectly, your eyes will look smudged and overly dark, but if you practice your technique and choose the right colors, the result will be a pop of color that draws attention to and highlights the natural beauty of your eye color. Highlighting a brow bone is a must because it instantly lifts and illuminates arches. What I do sometimes is I applied a glitter primer before applying a shimmery shadow because I noticed that it holds more and it looks more vibrant. And this is a glitter primer from NYX. I'm not sure if we have it now in the Philippines, but this one was purchased in US and wow, just wow! I really love this product. I am so amazed. This is the best for me so far and I guess you should have it too. Yes, it'll be really nice if you keep blending it. My advice is to get a clean brush if you need to clean and blend more the edges. Oops, wait up! Before creating a winged liner, make sure to bring it down to the upper waterline to make it look more natural. The reason why I combine BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner with Duraline by Inglot cause Duraline can restore the softness of some makeup products that already harden like liquid eyeliner and foundation. It can also make the product waterproof, long-lasting, and won't smudge at all. Now I'm ready to put up some mascara, and I'm using Volume Amazing from Revlon, and this is the first coat. I usually do it twice, but since her extensions are not so thick, I decided to do the second coating after I put her eyelashes extension. I'm making sure that her extensions are the same size as her eyes to look natural and prevent it from sticking out. It's cleaning time, and I'm now cleaning the excess makeup from her eyeshadows that has been shed from her eyes with a water-based moisturizer from Celotex. This is very mild and perfect for every young skin like her. So after moisturizing her face, I applied the face primer to maintain the foundation longer and hydrated. I'm using BYS face primer. This is the one with hydrating pearls, and as you can see, there's like a cute little pink balls inside it that gives a hydrating effect to the skin. For the foundation, I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW18. Spray a small amount of setting spray or water on top of it so it's easier to blend the foundation. I'm using Prepless Prime Fix from MAC, and this will give her a dewy effect. Or you can spray it to any of your beauty blender or sponge. Make sure you'll blend it well for best result. If you need to go back to fix or enhance the eyeshadow, go ahead and do it to make it look better and have a clean finish. For under eye area, one of the best concealers I've used is the MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer. I also love this concealer. This is one of my favorite because it feels very lightweight and provides medium to full coverage. With a comfortable natural matte finish gives a smoother, flawless looking finish on skin. I'm now locking it up with Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This creates a perfectly poreless appearance that lasts and oil-absorbing natural ingredients. What is contouring? Contouring is a makeup trick to enhance the natural structure of your face by highlighting the tops of your cheekbones and the bridge of the nose. You'll create beautiful angles for a natural but sculpted makeup look. If you need to contour, make sure everything is well blended so that the lines on your nose bridge are not too visible. And for contouring, I use Highlight and Contour Palette from NYX. Contour and highlight is for making your face appear more oval. Oval faces are classed as the perfect face shape. It can certainly make your face appear younger, but going overboard can actually do quite the opposite too. The right blush can add a pop of color to your cheeks, instantly making you look younger, healthier, and prettier. When choosing a blush color, it's important to pick one that matches your natural skin tone. In this video, I used Glamorous Blush 10 Color Blush Palette from BH Cosmetics that has 10 different colors that you can choose from. It has 5 different shimmery tones and 5 different matte tones. This is from BH Cosmetics Ultimate Lips 28 Color Lipstick Palette, where I used 2 different lipstick colors and I mixed it together to come out the color that would suit her makeup and skin tone. The proper lipstick placement should be right on your lip line. It must not be exceeded or inadequate. However, it's also possible to reshape your lips in order to create exactly the look that you want. And don't miss out the inner corners. Ensure you apply it within the corners of your lined lips. Here comes the trick. I used some kind of a gold paint. I forgot the name, but my sister bought it in a bookstore where she used it to paint her daughter's shoes. What? Yes, and I use it as a highlighter. It works though. But nothing to worry about as it is safe to use on the skin. At first, I was hesitant to put it on her face because it might ruin her makeup. But when I put it on, I was surprised at the result. I love the texture and it has a smooth, shimmery effect. And long-lasting too. And to complete the look, I'm adding a real highlighter to make the color look more vivid. Makeup is all about balance like everything in life. Remember, understanding balance and right blending are the key to stunning makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and please click the notification bell. Thank you and let's all be safe.
Down the hill, summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances color